Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 Fire Weather Outlook. This is also going to be a Day 1 Severe Weather Outlook because evidently, as of the midday update, the SPC has decided to add a marginal again. So, anyway, let's start with the Fire Weather Outlook first. We have a critical fire weather risk today covering eastern New Mexico, western Texas, and the western part of the panhandle of Oklahoma. Cities in the critical fire weather risk area today include Lubbock, Texas, Amarillo, Texas, Midland, Texas, Odessa, Texas, and Roswell, New Mexico. There's an elevated fire risk today covering parts of Texas, central New Mexico, southeastern Colorado, the central part of the panhandle of Oklahoma, and southwestern Kansas. So we have the elevated fire risk. So, as of the morning update, a surface low will move across the New Mexico higher terrain towards the northern Texas panhandle late this afternoon. While the region has much cooler daytime forecast temperatures, the deepening surface low will tighten surface pressure gradients, leading to downslope westerly winds of 23 miles per hour, with daytime heating dropping relative humidity to 10 to 20%. Locally, higher gusts are possible depending on deep mixing, as forecast soundings have strong 40 to 50 knot winds at the boundary layer. These conditions, overlapping a mix of drier fuels, support widespread elevated and critical fire weather across eastern New Mexico, the Oklahoma Panhandle, and West Texas this afternoon. Additionally, far northeastern New Mexico and the northwestern Texas Oklahoma Panhandle could have the potential for a few isolated lightning flashes between 21Z and 00Z. While the localized marginal nature coupled with cooler temperatures precludes the introduction of an isolated dry thunderstorm area, a lightning ignition cannot be ruled out given receptive fuels across the area. So, that's your Day 1 Fire Weather Outlook. Stay safe and vigilant in these areas today, and if I were you, I would gather supplies immediately, such as food, water, clothing, toiletries, medical supplies, a flashlight, a cell phone, phone chargers, and a battery-powered radio in the event that you need to evacuate on a moment's notice, because fire can start and spread quickly. So, please avoid outdoor burning. Please avoid outdoor burning in these areas today. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground, even if they're not lit, because 1, that's littering. 2, one little spark is all it takes for a fire to start and spread quickly. And make sure your cigarette is fully out before you throw it away. So, stay safe in these areas today, and I'll go over all of this again in tomorrow's Day... Wait. Oh yeah, this is the Day 1 Outlook. Silly me, sorry. So, just remain safe and vigilant in these areas today, and now I'm going to move over to the Day 1 Severe Weather Outlook portion of things. So, as of the midday update or late morning update, whatever you want to call it, there is now a marginal risk for severe weather today that encompasses eastern North Carolina. Cities in today's marginal include Greenville, North Carolina, Jacksonville, North Carolina, Goldsboro, North Carolina, New Bern, North Carolina, and Kinston, North Carolina. Going to the tornado threat for today. There is no tornado threat for today. There is no tornado threat for today, so that's good news. Going to the wind, there is a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that encompasses eastern North Carolina. The 5% wind risk area today includes Greenville, North Carolina, Jacksonville, North Carolina, Goldsboro, North Carolina, New Bern, North Carolina, and Kinston, North Carolina. So, anyway, now to the hail threat for today. There is no hail threat for today, so that's good news. So, in summary, a few damaging gusts are possible across eastern North Carolina this afternoon. So, that's your Day 1 Severe Weather Outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas today, even though it's only marginal, because sometimes marginal can produce some pretty strong storms, and You know what the you know what you don't what sorry. You don't know what the heck they can pull off sometimes. There we go. So stay safe in the marginal today, and I'll have my day 2 severe weather outlook out and about an hour or an hour and a half, probably around 2 or 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time. So stay safe in the marginal, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.